how you can freeze your location on Snapchat. Let's begin. First of all, you'll have to open your Snapchat and log into your account. Once you're logged in, at the very bottom left, you can see there is a map option. You click on it to open the Snap Map. After your map is open, you can see there is a gear icon at the top right. You can click on it to open the settings. In the settings menu, you can see that there is a ghost mode. If you toggle this on, you can see there are 3 options where you can turn it on for 3 hours, 24 hours, and until you turn it off. You can save your preference and close the settings. Now, you're on your ghost mode and none of your friends can see your location. Actually, there is another method that you can use to hide your location on Snapchat. To do that, you just open your phone's settings, you scroll down to find the privacy manager. You open the privacy option and then scroll down until you find the permission manager. You open this option and then scroll down until you find location. After you've found your location, you just scroll down to find Snapchat and click on it. Once you're on your Snapchat location permission, you can click on Don't Allow. By doing this, you can block your location access completely from your phone and not worry about revealing it on your Snapchat. And this is how you can freeze your location in Snapchat. Thank you for watching.